What?
What the what?
What's going on?
What the hell? Yo, why you looking like me?
Coffee.
Oh my god, it's Tim and Dim.
Okay. Come on. Let's get this over.
This is blowing my mind. It's like we're looking in a funhouse mirror of handsome.
Sit down, Dim. Jake.
Okay. Have we met before?
No, that I'd remember.
Oh, you would.
So I had Dim's girlfriend picked up.
Okay. Wait, why are you being weird?
It's easier to show you.
Oh, that is disturbing.
Guess we know who's going undercover with Dim.
Yeah. Juicy.
This fucking thing.